Wow. So as you guys can see, it's quite vertical. I mean, it's vertical.
A bee.
Yeah.
It's respectable.
Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna do another Via Ferrata. It's Ettore Bovero. It has an elevation of about 800 meters and it's vertical and exposed, so it's gonna be fun, so you guys stay with us. Yeah, we have some snow around here, there, and look at this beauty. Wait, look at this one right here. It's full of snow. Nice, huh? Yeah. Damn. Wow. Nice. Wow, it looks beautiful. And that down there is Cortina d'Ampezzo. And I'm gonna take a shot of this.
I want to say so.
Okay. Go. Bravo. Nice. Well done. So as you guys can see, it's quite vertical. I mean, it's vertical. But the rock is really nice. Okay, pressure on your foot and use your hands. Whew. Easy. Oh. Yep. Okay, this cable sketchy. The sun came out. Man, this cable is really shitty.
Wait till you see that one.
Ah.
A bee.
It's okay. No, it's okay.
Nah.
Are you calm?
Yeah. Bah.
Come here.
Okay.
Is it okay there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Almost at the top.
Really? Wow.
Hot dog, hot dog, hot digger dog. Just look at your hands.
Yeah, in
Well,
my legs, right?
you need to look at your feet also.
Yeah.
It's respectable.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. You should go. Whoa. Damn. Guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and also follow us on Instagram on _official. Thanks. Look.
Oh my god. Oh, hold on. Wow.
At least we got the sun on our side.
Almost.
Yeah, it's really. How would you rate this one? That's difficulty. I think C.
C.
Yeah, it's C.
Not D, just C.
Yeah.
Sketchy. Yeah, that's it, that's it. Hey, hold on.
No, it's okay. Careful, okay? And we finished. Woo! Yay! Hey! Man, it's amazing. Damn, baby. Woo! Man, the views are awesome, right? Yeah, look.
But a lot of missing.
This one is fucked. Yeah. Okay, we just finished Via Ferrata Ettore Bovero. It was amazing, as you've seen. It was technical, it was high, it was exposed, and the panoramic view, it's amazing. I really love it, even though it's similar to that one. So last week we've done that one, which is Strobel. It's also on our channel, so watch that one. But the view on this one is different. Anyways guys, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting me, thank you for comments, likes, anything. And if you like this video, like. If you don't like, dislike. And follow us on Instagram on pod.adrian_official. Thanks, see ya. Hey.